I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to manage an Instagram account for users under 16. First, let's understand that Instagram automatically sets accounts for users under 16 to private. This means only approved followers can see your posts and stories. If you want to change this, you can navigate to your settings. We'll walk through the steps to make your profile public, but remember the importance of online safety and who can view your content. Ready to go public? From your profile, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu, then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Account Privacy and you'll see a toggle for Private Account. Simply switch this off. Instagram will ask you to confirm this change. Remember, a public profile means anyone on Instagram can see your posts, reels, and stories, so think carefully about what you share. With a public profile, safety is key. Avoid sharing sensitive personal details like your home address or school location. Always think before you post. Once it's out there, it's hard to take back. Instagram offers tools to report inappropriate content or block users who make you uncomfortable. Keep your interactions positive and remember that your online presence reflects on you, so choose wisely. Parents, Instagram provides supervision tools allowing you to link your teen's account and set daily time limits or see who they follow. Open communication about online safety is crucial for young users. Discuss what's appropriate to share and how to handle negative interactions. Remember, building good digital habits early is invaluable. Also, for those looking to improve their financial mindset, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals. It's a great resource for anyone wanting to think differently about money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.